Hey guys, cleaning videos are totally trending all over TikTok, but today I'm taking you into Dollar Tree and sharing some incredible tricks I have never shared before on my channel. They are so satisfying and so good. And I'm so grateful today's video is sponsored by Skillshare, so without further ado, let's jump into it. I love the battle of the sprays. I can say, rest assured, this new product is in my top 3 in the entire store. This scrub-free glass cleaner. It goes on in a super satisfying foam, it smells great, and it truly leaves your glass and mirrors streak-free without any scrubbing. This doesn't have any reviews on Dollar Tree's website yet. My guess is because it's a new product, but this one is worth your dollar. You're looking through the glass and you don't even know.
That's very clean. Holy cow.
That's really good. This stuff's great. For years, I have sung the praises of Dollar Tree's LA Totally Awesome Cleaner. But this stuff creates the best and most satisfying foam you can use to clean anything. It actually tells you on the bottle you can clean linens with this, upholstery, carpets. By diluting it down, it really packs in scrubbing power. And what's really cool, when you dilute it in a bowl and use a sponge, it gets really sudsy and foamy and does an incredible job cleaning. I love using this outside, especially on windows and doorways. Ours haven't looked this good in so long. Wow, look at that. It looks so good. It's like, that was so dirty. There's a little froggy. He's hiding. I'm just gonna clean right around you. You stay right there. If you're on TikTok at all, you've probably seen people using Fabuloso. It is such a great floor cleaner, and you can buy it at Dollar Tree. And what's more, they even have a new Fabuloso that's antibacterial. And check out this amazing hack to clean your floors. I love the brand new O Cedar Mop. I take a 1/4 cup of the Fabuloso and 1 gallon of water. And the great thing about this, I'll be sure to link it down below, is it compartmentalizes the dirty and the clean water. The great thing about spin mops is you can control the amount of water on the floor. They also do a really great job of cleaning your baseboards. I don't know why this is, but I always think my floors look pretty clean, and then when I look at the water, I realize they definitely weren't. But you take off the top like this, and then you can pour all of the dirty water down the drain. And while we're on the topic of toilets, yes, I'm just gonna say it right now, you have been warned. I saw this on TikTok and you've got to try it. It is so easy to take off your toilet seats. The covers flip up on the top and you can either pull straight out or pull up. And I've been testing out LA's Totally Awesome bathroom cleaner you guys saw in recent videos, and I can say fully this works awesome. We use this on countertops and it's really great to clean those hard to reach spaces. We ended up doing this in the downstairs bathroom too because it had been such a long time. Maybe you were wondering, or maybe not, I'm not sure. At the beginning I said my 3rd favorite cleaning product was the glass cleaner, but my first 2 are these. The Lime Away toilet bowl cleaner from Dollar Tree is the best, and I also love Tidy Bowl. You put this right in the back of your toilet and it helps clean it between flushes. It's awesome. I also tried out for the first time this Rust Lime and Calcium cleaner. You can also use this to descale your coffee pots, and I thought it did a pretty good job. Let me know if you've tried it in the comments below. Clean bathrooms are so satisfying. I also love going to the Dollar Tree to get their containers of bleach. Once you open a bleach container, it loses its potency. And one of these will clean your jetted tub. I pour the entire thing in and run a few cycles through the jets to clean out all of that gunk. Such an inexpensive way for $1 to get a clean and refreshed tub. Scent boosters are so popular right now, but they can get a little bit pricey. The Dollar Tree sells individual tiny boxes of these. Pour one of these into a spray bottle and add warm water. Mix it up and the scent boosters will dissolve. And now you have a DIY room spray. You can even put this inside of your closet or on cushions. I also love to use it on my pillows. Some members of our family will go unnamed for the stink that they bring to the house. Copper. Don't forget when you're in Dollar Tree to step away from the cleaning aisle and go to other aisles of the store. Did you know that baby oil is a great way to shine up your fixtures?
I'll be there if you reach
And don't forget to check out the tools section. This nifty gadget retails for $7 in other stores, but if you're a DIYer or have painting projects, this is so satisfying to clean those rollers. How do you guys stay motivated when you're cleaning? For me, I always have to be listening to something, which is why I'm so grateful to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. And you get to try Skillshare Premium absolutely free if you're the first 1,000 people to click my link down below. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes, all taught by experts. They have classes on digital photography, videography, crafting, DIYs, and productivity classes that I love to listen to, and you can work at your own pace. I recently took a class by productivity expert Thomas Frank on how to build habits that last. He had such an incredible message on perfect being the enemy of good. Which, if you guys have stuck around here for any length of time, you know I am fully behind that. I'm going to put a link to Skillshare in my description so you can give it a try too. Thank you guys so much for being here. If nobody has told you today, you, my friend, are enough. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Subscribe because I don't want to miss you. I'll catch you soon.
Your assistance is so valued. Thank you.
You're a mess. You are a mess.